from Live 5 News.
Welcome back with us here at Live 5 News on this Monday evening, already the start of another work week. This one's some ups and downs with our temperature trends. As of right now, though, looking live outside, beautiful sunset out there. Even temperatures not too bad. Cool down on the way, but we're not feeling it yet. At a high temperature today, still well above average. Almost 10 degrees above average at 80 degrees. We should be around 71 for this time of the year. Record high temperature, that was 86 degrees back in the 40s. Record low, a cold 29 back in the 40s there. We should actually be in the upper 40s for low temperatures. Instead, the airport in North Charleston this morning, 68 degrees. Way above average. And we still have a milder night ahead of us before some of those chilly nights kick back in. Live radar right now, we are dry across the air. It was a different story earlier this morning. If you were out and about, maybe you had to dodge a few of those raindrops. Could see some fog develop tonight, but really in terms of rain, there isn't much in the forecast, at least for the overnight hours. Even into tomorrow. Check it out with our future tracker. You can see early tomorrow morning, maybe a few passing clouds, possibly even some patchy fog like we mentioned, into our Tuesday afternoon and evening. Not much on the map. You will notice a difference, though, with just how cool it feels outside by tomorrow afternoon and evening. So definitely some cooler changes on the way. Not feeling it necessarily right now. We're still in the 70s for most of the area, hour by hour. If you have some plans this evening, maybe just running some errands, you still need to get some things together at the grocery store for the week. By 9 o'clock, we're still in the upper 60s, actually. So staying rather mild tonight. This is still way above average. Keep in mind, we should be in the upper 40s. Instead, we're in the 50s inland and to the north, closer to the coastline here. 60s, so not bad at all for overnight lows. High temperatures on your Tuesday, still above average, just not as warm as today. Most of us remaining in the 70s, low 70s inland and to the north, actually. So a little bit of a cool down starting early there. In terms of rain chances, not so much over the next few days. You can see by Thursday, though, about a 30% chance of showers. We have another wave of moisture kind of heading our way. This is one of our weather models here as we move through the second half of the week. So we're pausing. You can see here on our timestamp, 4 o'clock Wednesday afternoon. Still pretty dry and comfortable across the low country. And then things look a little different. By early Thursday morning around 10 a.m., we'll see a few showers start to sweep through the area. Stick around off and on through the afternoon and evening before we dry out for Friday. So looking at just one rain chance this week. That's mostly into our Thursday. Some of us could see possibly a quarter of an inch of rainfall. As of right now, that looks like our max in terms of rain. So just keep that in mind as we move throughout the second half of the week. In terms of the tropics, we do have an area of possible development. Bill was just talking about this on the 5 o'clock half hour. You can see this has about a 50% chance of developing over the next 7 days. So something to keep an eye on. No major issues for us right now. Also something to keep an eye on, that is, of course, rivers. Specifically right now, the Edisto River still expecting to crest above major flood stage by tomorrow. So keep that in mind if you live along the Edisto. Just be aware of that and be prepared to see some rising higher water. 7-day forecast. Once again, only rain chance. That is Thursday. Temperatures staying in the 60s. Look at that cool down. Tomorrow night, we'll be talking